Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's practice, we're going to create an FAQ page with MetaBox and Divi. This is the page that I'll create. There are several pairs of questions and answers, for example. I'll use custom fields to store them. And this FAQ page will be built by Divi. Let's see which tools we need for this tutorial. First, I have Divi Builder here to build the page. As I mentioned, I will use custom fields for the questions and answers. So I have the MetaBox Core plugin to have the framework to create custom fields. It's available on WordPress.org. We also need some MetaBox extensions to have advanced features. You can download them individually or just use MetaBox all-in-one to have them all. Here are all the extensions we use in this practice. MB Divi Integrator helps you use Divi to get data from custom fields created with MetaBox easier. Next, MetaBox Builder to have a UI on the backend to easily create custom fields. And MetaBox Group to organize custom fields into pairs for questions and answers. That's all the tools we need. Let's create a new page. I leave it blank, and I will create custom fields in the next step to input content for this page. I will add some custom fields to the page like this. This is a group that includes two subfields inside for question and answer. And I also have the Add More button here to add more than one couple of questions and answers. Let's create them now. Because each question and answer is a pair, let's create a group field. Then add subfields for it. Turn on this option to set the group to be clonable. This helps to add multiple pairs of questions and answers. I also set this group as collapsible. And I just keep the expanded option to have the display of subfields in default like this. Next, name the group's title. Here I use some variables. This variable is for numbering the questions. And the second one is the ID of the question field to display the content of that question. Naming like this will help you identify the set of Q&A more easily. That's all the custom fields we need in this practice. After creating all the fields and having reasonable settings, move to the Settings tab, choose Location as Post Type, and select Page. To apply the fields to the page you want, go to the Advanced Location Rules section below and choose your page. I choose FAQ here. Then, you will see all of the created custom fields in the page editor. Now, let's fill in the Q&As. You can also click Add More to add other pairs. The questions and answers are saved in a clonable group, so we should create a layout to get data from the subfields first. Next, instead of using modules from Divi, we highly recommend using the MetaBox Field module. This is the module built by the MetaBox team that has more advantages and more optimality. We have introduced it in more detail in a walkthrough video, also on this channel. You can watch that video for more information. Set the location for this module as the subfield of the group. Go ahead. Choose another MetaBox field module for the answer field. Then also set the location as the subfield as well. So we have done the layout for a pair of the Q&A. Go to edit the FAQ page with Divi Builder. Add a row. We had a layout for the questions and answers, which are from a clonable group. So add the MetaBox clonable module now. Set its layout as the one we have just created. Also set the clonable field as the group. All the information of each pair of question and answer will be listed on the page when you go to the page on the front end. They are all displayed but without styling. Let's move on to the next step to make them display with a better look. We should go back to the layout that we used to display the data from the subfields. Change the settings of each module to have a new style for those data. I've just changed some things basically. Then you will see the new look of them on the page. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try more, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more tutorials. Bye.